tayo guys. So guys, we're just waiting. Ganito ka-araw guys. Grabe, daming tao. Bilis matunaw. Good morning guys! We're going to get our breakfast and today we'll check kung ano ang itsura ng Boracay on Biyernes Santo. Yep, so this is Jay once again. Welcome back to Vlog Center. So guys, ang dami naman pala nilang breakfast here. Look at that. Meron ding champorado. So yung dinner nating champorado, dudugtungan natin ng almusal na champorado. But this time, powdered milk. Let's eat. Yun guys, we're done with breakfast. Actually, nag-overstay kami dun sa breakfast. Kasi, wala naman kaming gagawin masyado today. So this is the lobby guys of the hotel. Andun yung kanilang restaurant. So magbi-beach tayo guys ng naka-hoodie at makapal na hoodie. Tingnan nyo guys yung area to ng Belmont. Halos wala pa rin tao. Ito actually yung kanilang promenade. May mga stores na supposed to be operating here pero since the last time na nandito tayo, ganyan na siya. At hindi na nag-open ulit. So we're just going to see the beach dito sa New Coast. Bago tayo bumalik sa kwarto. So guys, we're here in the New Coast. May mga konting pailan-ilan na mga tao. Ayan. Pero mas marami yung mga turista over there sa other side. Kasi ayun yung pinupuntahan na keyhole. So for most nagiging part siya ng mga tours that we are doing here. At nakabalik na tayo sa hotel. Masyadong mainit dun sa beach. So we took yung Ho-Ho kasi yung pinurchase naming card for hop on, hop off is unlimited for 3 days. So might as well maximize it. Hey guys, we're ready again to go. Andito pa tayo sa hotel room and it's 3:19. Yan, nagpahinga lang tayo and then we're heading out. Tara. So guys, we're just waiting for the hop on, hop off, aka Ho-Ho. Actually, nagpunta na siya doon, so pabalik na siya anytime soon. At ang pick up niya dito mismo sa lobby ng Belmont Hotel. Usapang Ho-Ho, napaka sulit na din actually nung 3-day pass, which is a total of 500 pesos. 450 yun doon sa pinaka-charge niya for 3 days, and then yung 50 pesos would be for the card. Whereas kung bibili ka actually ng round trip na pass for Ho-Ho, that's 75 and then another 75 kasi 75 one way plus yung payment doon sa pinaka-ticket which is 50 pesos. So 200 pesos just for dalawang pass. So, di ba, might as well get yourself na lang yung mga whole day o kaya yung 3-day passes that's actually available kahit nasa pagsakay nyo na mismo doon sa kanilang mga e-jeepneys. Ang layo na ng babaan guys ng yung station ng Ho-Ho, Puka Beach. Doon pa kami bumaba and then we have to walk all the way there. Yung dati kasing babaan, kapag kababa mo, a few walks na lang and then nandun ka na sa beach. But now you have to walk. Ayan, dati hanggang dito yung yung Ho-Ho. Ngayon, ang layo. Siguro around 5 minutes yung lakad from where the new stop is.
Her vital signs are stable.
I appreciate all your hard work so far. What's that?
Get out! Get out!
Not engage under any circumstances. Just get out.
Hey!
A coward. He'd already confessed to his crimes. Why would he beg us to spare his family and then do this? It tells all about...
Ganto ka-araw guys sa Puka Beach. Hanggang sa lumubog na yung araw, ganto siya, kaya mainit. So we arrived here like past 3. It's now almost 5 p.m. Andito na tayo ngayon guys sa D-Mall. Of course through Ho-Ho. And just in time for the sunset. Grabe, daming tao guys. Look at this. Everybody's looking at the sunset. Okay guys, we're done sunset viewing and people watching. Gabi na. It's 15 to 7 p.m. So time for us to look for the dinner bago pa magdagsaan ng mga tao sa mga restaurants.
Ito po yung rice. Ito po yung pecho with plain rice po. Diba po yung 4 season lang po yung wala.
Thank you. Here comes the food guys. So we have chicken and yung grilled na pampano. By the way, we're here in Bacolod Chicken Inasal by Idalicious. So let's try yung kanilang mga grilled food. Let's eat. So dito tayo guys kumain. Diyan sa Bacolod Chicken Inasal. Dun sila sa parang almost third floor. Tapos kapag hahanapin nyo siya, ayan yung El Fuego na So we're having this messy Arya's Gelato for dessert. Bilis matunaw. So guys, this gelato is not good. Kaso siyang ordinary ice cream. Kasi ang bilis matunaw. Ang kalat niya kainin. Tapos, when I was asking to tikim, ang pwede mo lang tikman ay pwede kang makatikim pero once lang. So isang flavor lang yung pwede mo matry before you buy. So we're back here at the main road guys kasi mag-aabang ulit tayo ng Ho-Ho dito sa D-Mall Station. And guys, we are back in the hotel. Sumakay ulit tayo ng Ho-Ho and then we are now back here. And just a quick review doon sa kanina natin kaninang dinner, yung sa Bacolod Chicken Inasal by Idalicious. I'm not sure if that's the correct name, pero they actually have a good price and decent taste ng mga pagkain nila. Again, we tried yung grilled na pampano and grilled chicken. Medyo downside lang though, medyo madaming kumakain doon. So I'm not sure if that's the reason why they had like most of their like the gulay, tapos yung chicken sisig, and may iba pa na mga hindi available. Plus, especially kung madami kayo, you would have to wait for a long time kasi nga ang daming kumakain. Siguro yung hour din na yun is the busiest time. Buti na lang for us kasi dalawa lang kami, we were able to get yung parang extra table and chair dun sa dulo, and we were able to get our food nang mabilis naman. So yun na lang siya for today. And yes, this is where I'm going to end this vlog. So if you like it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and click the notification bell so that you will get updated with more of my videos here in Boracay, only here in Vlogcetera. Until the next one, bye.
Cracky.